Hooray! And now we need to fuel the pickup harvester. You're doing really great. Let's thresh the reaped wheaters and load them into the grain truck. Now let's wash the pickup harvester. We did it! Let's assemble a grain truck. Don't stop! Let's fuel the grain truck. That's all. Let's make flour from the collected grains. Let's wash the grain truck. Hooray! First, let's assemble a flour truck. Don't stop! Now we need to fuel the flour truck. That's all. Let's bake bread from the flour and bring it to the store. Great! We've managed to grow wheat and bake delicious bread. Now let's wash the flour truck. Done! First, let's assemble a mini bulldozer. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the mini bulldozer. Ready. Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. Let's wash the mini bulldozer. That's all. First, let's assemble a covered truck. Amazing! And now we need to fuel the covered truck.